Welcome to our video on the best portable car vacuums. Keeping your car clean can be a challenge, especially if you're always on the go. That's why we've tested and reviewed some of the top portable vacuums on the market, so you can easily choose the one that suits your needs. Whether you're dealing with pet hair, crumbs, or dust, we've got you covered. From ultra-lightweight models to powerful suction, we'll show you the pros and cons of each vacuum and give you our top recommendations. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of portable car vacuums. Number 1. IMINSO Handheld Vacuum. This cordless handheld vacuum cleaner has been upgraded to provide up to 9 kPa strong cyclonic suction power, which is twice as strong as the average handheld vacuum cleaner. It has two suction modes that can be freely switched between 9 kPa and 5 kPa for cleaning dust, crumbs, and pet hair in cars, sofas, walls, stairs, and other hard-to-reach places. Number 2. Fanttik V9 Mate, a powerful and lightweight cordless handheld vacuum cleaner that's perfect for keeping your car clean and spotless. With its 4 feet flexible hose and various accessories, including a crevice tool, push and brush, and extension tool, the V9 Mate allows you to reach all areas of your car while other hand vacs cannot. The LED lights make it easier to clean the corners of the car anytime, while the magic bag keeps all accessories stored securely. And, the accessories can be easily removed using the hard part of the included cleaning brush. At only 2.2 pounds, the V9 Mate is a lightweight and comfortable product to use. Number 3. Introducing the VSGO Cordless, a powerful and portable vacuum cleaner that's perfect for anyone looking for a lightweight and efficient cleaning solution. This vacuum cleaner is smaller than a 350 ml mineral water bottle and weighs less than 0.5 kilograms, making it easy for anyone, including girls, to use. With a high-speed jet air flow of 33 meters per second, the VSGO Cordless can easily blow away dust and dirt. Plus, it features a built-in high-speed brushless motor that can reach speeds of up to 100,000 RPM. Number 4. Introducing the Chuboor handheld vacuum, the perfect solution to clean up all kinds of messes around you. With its unique one-touch empty design, it makes dumping dust much easier, and the transparent design makes the dust collecting process visible. Equipped with a high-speed brushless motor, it provides powerful suction of up to 16,000 pascals to tackle all kinds of cleaning needs, and 2 adjustable suction modes ensure that it meets all your needs. With built-in 4 packs of long-lasting battery, it can provide up to 30 minutes of continuous cleaning power, and the sleek aluminum shell design makes it lightweight and durable. So, get your hands on the Chuboor handheld vacuum and enjoy efficient cleaning. Number 5. The Ofuzzi H8 Apex is a lightweight handheld vacuum that is easy to use with one hand. Its lock on the dust canister prevents accidental opening, and the dust cup and filter can be removed for easy cleaning. The M1 brushless motor delivers powerful suction of up to 30 AW, 12 kPa, and the device offers 2 power levels for different cleaning needs. The battery supports up to 30 minutes of use, and the vacuum comes with 4 different accessories, including a crevice nozzle for narrow spaces, 2 for surfaces like sofas, great for removing pet hair, and 1 for general use. The crevice nozzle can be used with other accessories for even more cleaning flexibility. It's important to fully charge the device before using it for the first time. Thanks for watching our video on the best portable car vacuums. We hope you found it helpful in choosing the right vacuum for your car cleaning needs. Remember, keeping your car clean not only makes it look better, but it can also help maintain its value and prolong its lifespan. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations.